Hello, now you know what is Java. Java is a programming language, right? But, how to use that language without something what is called an editor? You have to type somewhere that code. So we need to download something what is called IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, which means there are lots of integrated tools for developing application in our situation in Java. So there are lots of integrated development environments, but the most popular one I think is Netbeans. This is a free one, so you don't need to worry about money. There are also commercial one, like for example this one, which is very good, but unlikely you have to pay lots of money for it. But you are right now learning new things, so you don't need to pay for anything. You can learn everything for free using the Netbeans. So we could download it here, but well, the truth is that if we type here Java Standard Edition download, you will notice that the Oracle, which is responsible for developing the Java, is recommending the Netbeans. So you can download it with Java itself, because in order to write programs in Java, you need to somehow connect to libraries. You need to also compile that code. You need the compiler, and Java Development Kit, which is JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit, is a kit, so a set of tools, like for example Java compiler. And Java Development Kit includes also things like Java Virtual Machine, which is gonna change the bytecode that we talk about in the lesson what is Java, which is gonna run the bytecode, right? It's gonna interpret it. It has got also libraries inside, which are needed if we want to somehow code, right? If we want to create a code in Java. So this is very good idea to download both at once. But if you want to use another IDE like Netbeans or for example Eclipse or a commercial one, then just download this thing here. But we're gonna download both at once, Netbeans and Java Development Kit. And we're gonna accept the license. And now here you should choose the your system, right? So choose the right one. For me is that option, the 64 bytes window. And as you can see, I have already downloaded it, so we don't need to wait. So we just gonna run this. As you can see, we are here configuring the installer, and now we just click next. And of course you need to read the license and then accept it, then click next. And as you can see, now you need to choose the path where we want to install the Java Development Kit. So we click next. And now, as you can see, you need to set the path where you want to install IDE. The default one is good one. And here you need to set where you have installed the Java Development Kit. So because we are installing both at once, as you can see, it's the same path. Everything works fine. We click next. Here we can choose if you want to check for updates. I think it's a good idea to check for updates. So we click install. And now it's gonna take pretty long time to install both. I paused the video so you wouldn't have to lose your precious time. And as you can see, well, the last thing you should see now, if everything went perfectly, you should see a message like that. And here we are being asked if we want to contribute to the Netbeans project by providing anonymous usage data. And I think it's a good idea to let them do it because, well, you are helping them and they gave you a good tool for free, right? So we do not change setting here. We are just clicking finish. And well, we have just installed our IDE. So now we can just open it. As you can see, I click the start on the Windows and open the IDE, our editor, which we gonna use in the next lesson to create our first project. That's all in that lesson. Thank you very much.